My body camera was malfunctioning that day. I swear I'm telling truth. Stop.
Eric here, welcome to my channel, a channel that I dedicate to talking about and exposing lazy, poorly trained, corrupt government officials and public servants and idiotic, tyrannical law enforcement officers. Today is July 5th, 2026. Yesterday our country celebrated its 250th anniversary of being free. Based on my recent experiences with government officials like Josie Henry of Albury, Vermont, who was an assistant judge, who is moonlighting as a town administrator for the town of Albury, Vermont, wherein she lobbied the select board to create policies to silence me on Facebook because she didn't like my opinion about her, and she was in fear of her reputation. She additionally, with the assistance of gender bender Alex McCracken, who's now the chair of Auburn, drafted up false testimony that was presented by Jim Hokenberg, another select board member, in May of last year, to broad laws on disorderly conduct to get dissenting voices removed from town meetings. Michael Morgan from the House Committee was one of those members on the committee at the time, and they voted it in, so that was a hit to free speech in itself right there. And now this year, Michael Morgan announced Josie as his running mate. So I'm covering that too, and I'm suing Josie right now for First Amendment violations. The judge already ruled that she will lose her qualified and legislative immunity if I can prove my case. Additionally to that, I have this situation that's transpiring in Burlington, Vermont, actually, which is the subject of this video. On June 8th, I went to City Hall because I was covering a story that I saw on social media of City Hall security staff, Chocolate Thunder Security, trespassing a citizen journalist from City Hall for covering a story on a vocal critic of the mayor's being retaliated against by the mayor, well, allegedly. There's a civil and criminal case playing out right now involving that matter. It's Emma Mulvaney-Stanak versus Ari Moskowitz. Ironically about that, which I believe is a conflict of interest, City Hall Attorney Jessica Brown's covering the civil suit on behalf of Emma Mulvaney-Stanak. Anyway, so on the 8th, I went there to file a public records request to get Chocolate Thunder's financial agreements and contracts. And I went back on the 12th because it had been 72 hours and the City Hall attorney had not responded to my public records request. I spoke to Joseph Dempsey, the assistant to the City Hall attorney, and he agreed that he recognized who I was. He said he was late, didn't give a lawful reason why. He said he was busy. So I decided to wait around, and when I went upstairs to record my visit to City Hall, I was immediately met by Robyn from Chocolate Thunder Security. Within 90 seconds, she wanted me trespass from the building because she didn't consent to my recording her, and I didn't tell her why I was there. After a little while, the Burlington police showed up, and despite my extended efforts to explain all this to them, they're so stupid that they trespassed me from the property anyway. And so after that, I filed a complaint with the city, and I filed a complaint with the city and asked them to rescind the trespass. And July 1st, we had an appeal hearing where Robyn actually continued with her lies and actually compounded on her lies by presenting false testimony to the Burlington Public Safety Committee to try to deprive me of a future liberty interest in a First Amendment protected right to news gather at City Hall and to access the amenities, staff, and whatever at the property. What's astounding to me is that Jessica Brown, the City Hall attorney, went right up behind her and tried painting a picture to corroborate or to defend Robyn's actions when the video evidence clearly contradicts everything she said. So the video that you're going to see after this basically points out to every single lie she told. When I get the hour and 15-minute appeal, I'll create a video that dubs over all that so you can line up the lies with her actions. One of her first lies was that she attempted to activate her body-worn camera but wasn't able to because it malfunctioned. The video evidence shows that she didn't try to activate it at all until she tried to record me after the police got there to get a picture of my face in a malicious or capricious manner. So, this video that's coming up here basically outlines Robyn's actions and the fact that she continued even after that to attempt to violate my rights and to deprive me of a liberty interest. The purpose of this video is to send it to the Burlington Police Department, the City Hall Attorney's Office, and Chocolate Thunder, because it's going to be used in legal proceedings very soon. And I'm also doing it to create a record. So this isn't one of my normal videos, but I'm disseminating it to the public so the public can see the steps that I am taking after what these individuals did to me to show follow-up because I'm all about transparency and accountability and holding these individuals accountable for their actions. I stand in solidarity with the journalist that was trespassed unlawfully from the building, and I stand in solidarity with the vocal critic of the mayor. I don't stand in solidarity with necessarily all the actions of everything because I don't know them, but all I know is that she weaponized the Burlington law enforcement against this man, and now she's weaponizing the court system against him, and that I am against. So I'm going to do everything in my power to keep exposing this story and covering it, and covering not only what's happening with me, but what's happening with the Ari situation. And one more thing back to this is Robyn from Chocolate Thunder. She kept attempting to paint me in a picture with Ari Moskowitz that we were conspiring together. Not a wise choice, especially when it was already pulled out. It was already confirmed that she was lying most of her testimony. And another thing for consideration as well is right after the appeal, I discovered that my trespass was missing pertinent information per Burlington City policy. That information is necessary to make this a lawful trespass because it needed to tell me where I could appeal and how to appeal, just like any traffic citation. It didn't have it. One of the Burlington City Public Safety Committee members actually agreed with me that it was missing this pertinent information and the trespass should be null and void. So I sent all this information to the Burlington Police Department. Now they're doing an internal affairs investigation on these officers, despite my many attempts before that. From the 14th to the 23rd to the 27th, all my numerous attempts went ignored, fell on deaf ears until I kept pursuing this. So that's why I'm creating this record and posting online for everybody to see, so people can know that I'm standing on my business. Anyway, for all the cops that watch this and want to comment and hit the like button or dislike button, it really helps. It really does. I can see right through you. Anyway, enjoy the video. Thanks. I'm okay, thank you.
Do you need some assistance?
No, I'm just here covering a story.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Who are you? You want to identify yourself for me so I know who I was talking to?
There's no need for that particular. Just
Okay.
want to make sure that there's not a problem. That there's
No, I don't have a problem. I was here to see the attorney to find out why he didn't respond to my public records request in accordance with the law. And he gave a non-lawful reason for not responding in a timely manner. So I'm just kind of here like waiting it out and see what happens.
Okay.
So do you want to tell me what you do here or who you are? I mean, you came out and engaged with me to see what I needed. Now I'm engaging with you, so I'm curious to know what it is that you do, and what your name is.
I work in the accounting department.
Okay, what's your name?
I don't see how that really is of concern.
Well, you came out to offer a service, not knowing what services I needed, and if you were going to offer those services, normally you would introduce yourself, correct?
And I'll be happy to
Yeah.
relay a message to the attorney if you'd like me to. If you know the attorney's, which attorney it was.
I don't know any of their names.
Well, if there's anything that we can do, please let us know.
No, you're doing it. Thank you. I don't own the place. Do you do rounds or anything? I mean, do you walk around outside to make sure no one's doing drugs in the building or around the building? See, I asked them to produce the records in a timely manner so I didn't have to come back. I told them I didn't want to come back here, but now I'm back here. Hello.
Hi.
You're with Chocolate Thunder as well. How are you?
Recording?
Absolutely.
I don't consent to be on video camera.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sounds good to me.
What brings you to City Hall? Sir,
I'm conducting business.
I said I do not consent to be on video camera.
Okay.
Can you move your camera in
Absolutely
another
not.
direction?
Absolutely
Who
not.
are you here to see?
I don't think that's any of your business.
What business are you conducting at City Hall?
I don't think that's any of your business either.
You came to City Hall just to record a security guard?
No, I came here for official business, and I'm not telling you about it because it's none of your business.
I would like to point you in the right direction, maybe get the person that you came to see. I want to
Are
help
you
you while you're
are you
here.
a city hall employee?
I work for a private security company that has a contract with City Hall.
Okay, yeah.
That would make me part of the City Hall staff.
So what's your name?
My name is Robyn.
Robyn what?
Are you going to tell me why you're here? Why should I share
don't
my
have
full
to.
government name with you? You won't even tell me why
Because
you're
you
here.
just claimed to be a public servant working in the
I did
your
not
official
claim to be
capacity.
a public servant.
You just claimed you were contracted and you're officially a city employee.
Anthony, why are you here?
I'm not going to answer your questions. I'm sorry.
So you came here to cause aggravation?
No, that's your assumption. What I'm doing. You're the one that got allowed.
I
You're the one
asked
that
you
said
a
you
clear
guys after
question.
me.
Yeah, I think this guy needs to leave.
Good luck.
You can be trespassed from City Hall.
Okay. Under what grounds, I'd like to know, and who's going to issue the trespass, I'd like to know as well.
I've asked you to take me off camera. I've also asked you why
You're
you're
in
here.
a public setting.
Okay.
You have no expectation of privacy.
Okay. All right. Sit here. Let's just record me. That's fine.
Okay, you're the one
I'm
that's
completely
giving
comfortable
me recordable content,
I said I do not consent
which
to
is
be on
recordable
camera,
content.
which is personal. If as a person, if I say I don't consent to you recording me, and you come up here and you stick a camera in my face, you're the aggressive party.
I am 15
You are
feet,
the aggressive
I'm
party.
15 feet away from you.
You are the aggressive party.
I'm not raising my voice.
He says that he's not going to tell me why he came to City Hall. He said he came here to conduct official business, but he's not explaining what that is. So he put his camera in my face, and I've asked him to leave.
You've been told by an official party security officer that you must leave the premises or you will be trespassed.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to go ahead and start that official trespass. And the only person that can lawfully trespass me from this building is local law
We
enforcement.
have
So
the
you might as
authority to trespass you.
I don't think so.
We do. We have the authority to trespass you.
I need to hear that from a local law enforcement officer with
Would
a
you like
bat.
us to call BPD?
If you want
They
to.
can verify
I'm not
it.
asking you to. I'm not telling you to. I'm
can-
telling you
we can
I'm here on
verify it.
official business.
It's no problem.
I'm telling you I'm here on official business. As
What
a
is your
journalist,
official business?
it
Because
doesn't matter. I don't have to tell
really
you
what it
nothing.
looks like is that you came here to start drama and cause aggravation. That's
No.
what it looks like.
I came up here and asked you if you were with
And I'm glad you're
security.
recording,
I am too. 'Cause
so that there will be empirical evidence of your.
I'm not going to lie to you.
Troublemaker.
This is going to be posted on social media. as
I'm
well.
glad. I'm already on social media.
Good.
And the person that did that, he's been trespassed, and now there is a restraining order on him. Would you like to join his category?
You want to define who that
Would
is?
you like to join his category?
Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you.
Sounds like you're threatening me.
We can serve you a trespass.
I told this woman that I'm here on official business. I was calm, I was cordial, I was
You're
correct
about to
the
get
whole time.
trespassed by Burlington
I
Police
did
Department.
nothing wrong. And this woman
You're
right
about
here
to get trespassed
from
from City
Chocolate
Hall
Thunder is trying to
for
trespass me from this public
365
building
days
in a
by
public
Burlington
forum
Police Department.
for nothing, because I choose not to tell her exactly what I'm doing. So, she's calling the police on me because I'm not telling her what I'm doing, because it's none of her fucking business. Real
I
talk.
haven't cursed one time. Now you're using disrespectful
I'm
language.
not talking to you.
You are a troublemaker. You are not here doing any official business. You are a troublemaker.
You hear the way this
You are a
lady, you hear the
troublemaker.
way this lady's
Nobody with a normal
escalating.
mental
You
status
hear the
goes
way
around
this lady
recording
is
people in public
escalating?
settings.
You hear the way this
Nobody
lady
with,
is
hello, can we
escalating?
get Burlington
Being
Police Department to
unprofessional?
City Hall, please? This is the security
You see
guard.
how unprofessional this person is? How she's escalating? I
There's
didn't
a
raise my
man
voice
here,
one
and
time.
I'm on the 3rd floor of City Hall. He came in with his camera, his phone, his camera phone.
Hey, did you not see me
with a
conducting official
tripod,
business
and he
downstairs?
Put it in
With
my
his public
face.
records request?
He's harassing security here at City Hall. He's refusing to leave.
I believe that's official business.
You know?
He won't give his name. My name is Robyn. His camera phone.
Hey, did you not see me
With a
conducting official
tripod,
business
and he
downstairs?
Put it in
With
my
his public
face.
records request?
He's harassing security here at City Hall. He's refusing to leave.
I believe that's official business.
You know?
He won't give his name.
Time frame that can be trespassed
Do you
for
have
not,
your camera
for
on?
not violating any policies.
Record, please. Thank you.
Are you recording?
He's recording
Are
you.
you recording? Because I'm getting get copies of his recording. I already told him now to file public record request to get that. Are you recording?
Yeah, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, but I'm
3rd floor. He's wearing a green.
Do you like lying and following false police reports?
I haven't told a single lie.
Oh, you
This
haven't?
isn't a false police report. They're on their way.
Okay.
There's
So
no report. What report are you talking about? They haven't.
So you
they
just
haven't
you just
taken a
called
report.
the
We're not even
you
here
just
yet.
called the police and filed a false police report to get them to this building.
That's not a false police report. It's
Yeah,
a,
it is.
It's a
You
911
lied.
phone call.
It's a
To
false.
dispatch them. It's called
you-
dispatch.
You clearly don't know anything.
You clearly are looking for trouble.
No, you're clearly.
You're clearly troublemaking.
You're clearly looking for
not
trouble,
here doing
and you
official
found
business.
it with me because I'm not listening to you.
What department are you here
You're
to see?
upset because I'm not listening to you.
I'm
or
not
conceding
upset.
to
I'm
the authorities. Then
completely
why are
calm.
you yelling?
Because I'm being assertive with you.
Sounds
You're not
like
in
you're
control
yelling.
here.
And you are?
Yes. Yes, we're in control here.
Okay, sure thing.
The troublemaking at City Hall is over.
Okay.
It's over. Are you a journalist? Are you a reporter?
So late
Are
for
you a
that.
doctor?
If I was a
Are you a
journalist, if I was a
politician?
journalist and I was in here covering a
Are
story,
you a scientist?
if I was a journalist in here covering a story, then you're trying to
Are you a
impede
demon?
on my rights by getting me kicked out of here. By stating that covering a story is not a
Listen,
constitutional protected
everybody's
right.
got a story about their rights. Everyone has rights. You're not the only one in this world. You don't get to just go to public places and put your camera in someone's face who has nothing to
I
do
don't.
with it.
I'm in your face.
I don't have
I'm
anything to do
15
with
feet
you.
away from
What
you.
do I have to do with your official business?
Why? Can you please de-escalate?
Can you please tell me what your name is and why you're here?
And can you please explain to me how it's any of your business what I'm doing, or that how in some way it's
It is
and
my
how in
business
some
because
way-
I'm the active
and
security
how
guard
in
on
some
duty.
way it's not okay for me to be in public recording.
Listen, I'm not arguing, we're just waiting for the police.
I mean, I'm looking around and I see 2 cameras above your head. I see another one over there. Like,
This building has multiple cameras.
so I can be recorded, but I can't record? Huh? Does that make sense to you? So you called the Burlington police and filed a false police report saying I was disruptive, argumentative, swearing. You know I was recording the whole time, right?
What did he tell you when we came in?
I didn't tell him anything.
I'll let this gentleman tell me something about a public records report.
Public records report? That would be in the clerk's office, not on the 3rd floor.
No, it was a request, man.
What did he tell you?
And this-
What did he tell you he came here for?
There was a request about,
Did I not speak to the city attorney?
he did speak.
Did the city attorney not recognize me and have emails
Okay,
about my
what did the
stuff on
city
file?
attorney say?
See,
Because
it's
if
none of
he's
your
got,
business.
if he
It's
has,
not- see,
if he's
if
trying
you wanted to know,
if he's
you
trying to
would have came
support
correctly
a
the first time.
lawsuit with evidence, he's failed. This guy.
Well, he talked to the city attorney about something.
Joe? Who was a clerk?
I don't know.
Guy with glasses?
Yes.
Okay, that's Joe.
Yeah, he was talking to Joe about,
I wish you'd show him more respect.
This is my coworker. He hasn't done anything to me, and
So
you
why
are not the
disrespecting
authority
him?
on respect.
So why you
Clearly.
disrespecting him?
You are clearly not the authority on respect.
some incident in the company, and that's all. That's
Okay,
all.
so he has a complaint that he needs to file online. That is the procedure.
Who are you?
You came here to conduct
Will you
official
sh-
business.
will
The
you
official
stop talking
procedure
to me,
is to
please?
file a claim. If you have a complaint with the city, you need to file the claim online. I've been working with City Hall for 5 years. That is the protocol, sir. You need to go online and file a claim.
Is
You
that
don't
the-
need to come here
Is that the
and
protocol?
harass the security guards.
Is that the protocol?
Yes.
That's how it's done?
Yeah.
It's the protocol?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the policy?
Yes.
Can you quote the policy, please?
Listen, you just talked to the city attorney's office, right?
Yeah, but you're the one talking about policy. Quote the policy.
They told you already what to do.
You're the one
I know
talking-
what
but
they
you're
tell
the-
you.
But
what they
you're the
tell
one
you.
talking about it. Quote the
It's
policy.
just over. I'm not arguing with you.
Good, because it just makes you sound ignorant.
No, you sound pretty ignorant.
Okay, but you're the one getting loud. You're the one filing false police reports.
I didn't file a false police report. I
Okay.
dispatched police when you said you basically said they need to be involved to get you escorted out of this property.
No, I told
No
you.
problem.
What I told you is you're
If
attempting
you're
to-
saying the police need to show up to
You're
get
not
you
trying to listen to
trespassed,
nothing.
that's fine. They can come.
What I was saying is you're trying to
can
unlawfully
come.
trespass me from the property. If anybody's gonna try to unlawfully trespass me from the property, it's gonna be the police, because
They
they're
will
the
do
ones with
it.
the lawful authority to do so.
They will do it.
Unlawfully trespass me from the property when I have official business here?
What is your official business?
He's already told you, but you're too stupid to listen.
Oh, yeah, okay.
He told you
All right.
he's your coworker, and you're too
Yeah,
stupid to listen.
Yeah. And you're all about
How
respect,
dumb
right?
are you?
Yeah.
How dumb are
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Do you even think? When's the last time you think you thought? When's the last time you had a thought where you think you thought? I think you clearly get paid too much for what you do. I will find out how much you get paid too,
Sure.
by the way. I've already filed the public records request for all your contracts.
Sure.
Okay, don't believe me. Why do you think I'm here? Just to listen to you be a moron?
You're here. I asked you to leave. You're staying here. You're the
Why'd
one
you-
wasting your own
why'd
time. You're
you ask-
wasting your own time.
Why'd you ask me to leave?
I asked you to leave because you are not following our policy.
What
You
policy?
come here, if you said you
What
had to
policy?
conduct official business.
What policy?
Conduct your official business and then leave.
What
Don't
policy?
stick around and harass
Is
security.
it harass?
Like that is pathetic. It is pathetic.
How am I harassing you?
It
You're the
is
one that keeps
pathetic.
engaging me. You're the one that keeps coming at me. You're the one yelling at me.
I'm not
You're the one
yelling.
trying to enforce unlawful no trespass when I have here on official business. I done nothing to you. You're the one that's talking about policy you know nothing about. You're the one claiming to be a government official with all the
I
authority
didn't claim
around
to be a
here.
government official. I said I
Contracted
work
with
as
all
a
the
private
government
security guard for City
And how
Hall.
long you say you've been here?
5 years.
Okay, with Chocolate Thunder?
That's correct.
Hey, officer.
This gentleman, yeah, I'm upset.
Yeah, she needs to de-escalate, officer,
I'm
for real.
upset. I'm upset. This is so like, So usually we have one guard on duty here at City Hall. We have two today because there's an individual who's been trespassed from City Hall and he keeps coming back.
Okay, who's that?
His name is Ari. This is not Ari. He cannot provide his name.
Let's do it.
Are they getting he's talking to the other staff members who are aware of this and making those trespasses.